Good morning from Hunttactical. Topic of discussion today is going to be what is furtive motion and how could it get you killed? A lot of people in the civilian world do not understand what a furtive movement or a furtive motion is. Really quickly, if you are dealing with a law enforcement official and they are in the performance of their lawful duties and you make any type of secretive, suspicious, sudden movement which makes them think that their life may be in jeopardy, they can be authorized to use deadly force. Why is this dangerous? We live in the age of social media and monkey see, monkey do. There are a lot of people on social media who have shown videos where they're arguing, going back and forth with the police, and they're reaching for things and they're grabbing for things and they're doing a lot of unnecessary motions. The ones in these films on social media that you see are very lucky individuals. These are people who were dealing with law enforcement who were probably more patient than others. There are some high-speed people out there who are dangerous. This is not an indictment of all law enforcement, but there is an element out there. These movements can get you killed. Most people have been pulled over in the past. You've been pulled over on the side of the road for a movement violation. Most likely your plates have been run while you were driving. You pull over, and 9 times out of 10, that officer is not going to get out that car immediately. What they're doing is giving you time to go through your vehicle, center console, glove box, find your documentation, your registration, get your license out your wallet, so that when they come up to your vehicle, they can conduct business. When they come up to your vehicle, there shouldn't be any suspicious movements, any sudden reaching for things. Everything that you need, you should already have in your hand. You should be sitting there with your hands fully exposed. If you have somebody with you, you should advise them. They need to put their hands out, preferably on the dashboard where they can be seen in plain view. This is not the time to make any sudden movements. No matter how agitated you may be, you must be still, be courteous, and conduct this situation with law enforcement and let it be done. If you feel that you have been violated, your rights have been violated, you have been wronged in any way, my recommendation to you is you should yes sir, no sir, yes ma'am, no ma'am. Do that to death so that you can avoid a possible death. Be courteous, finish that interaction with law enforcement, and then go on about your business. And then at that point, that's when you should file a grievance with that department if anything has been done incorrectly in how they handled you or treated you. Reaching for things, trying to grab phones to record, things of that nature, that could possibly get you shot. Okay? And your actions in that situation are going to work against you. People wonder why there have been so many shootings that are officer related across the country. And they're wondering why, well, how did this person get paid leave and how did they not lose their job? Because that sudden action, if you are a person in law enforcement, while I'm conducting this act, which is probably the most high probability act, a traffic stop, which could get me killed as an officer, made me believe that you were putting my life in danger. So I needed to defend my life. No matter if you're reaching for a cell phone, a comb, or what have you. The point I'm trying to reach out to you is while you're conducting business with law enforcement, be still, be calm, be courteous, okay? Don't let an incident or a mistake cost you your life. Furtive motion, any type of movement that looks secretive, suspicious, that could feel like it could put an officer's life in danger. These are things you must be mindful of, and you want to pass this down to your friends and your family. Conduct good business. If you are driving somebody in your car that you feel might be argumentative, before the officer gets to the door, have a conversation with them. Look, be calm, be courteous, put your hands exposed to the dashboard, and let's get through this. If they're the type of person that's going to defy all that, that's not the type of person you need to have in your vehicle. Another recommendation, I always tell younger folks, don't let law enforcement have any reason to even give you a conversation. Keep your car clean. When you got a lot of junk and stuff hidden in the back of your seats and the floor of your vehicle, it looks like you're trying to hide something, okay? I don't want to give you any reason to give me a conversation. If I had a movement violation, We're going to address that, and then I'm going to go on about my life. If in the course of that, addressing that moving violation, I feel I am wronged, I feel my rights were violated, I'm going to survive this incident, go on about my business, and then I will file the proper paperwork and charges to defend what happened on the side of that road. Don't be a Facebook hero. I'm giving you some good information. Furtive motion. If you don't believe me, please research it for yourself. Furtive motion is dangerous, could cost you your life if you're not paying attention. It's not worth the argument on the side of the road. By all means, defend your rights. Make sure you fight for yourself if you were violated, but do it in the appropriate manner at the appropriate time. Side of the road is not the time to have that fight. You guys have a good day. Please follow me on all social media and look forward to the next vehicle. Thank you.